If you are clicking on this video, then you probably know who he is already. And if you don't, then that's okay, because we're about to go inside the Tate Modern and learn all about the weird, wonderful and wacky world of Leigh Bowery. My name's Axel.
I'm Sean.
Come with us, let's head inside. The Leigh Bowery exhibition is being held at the Tate Modern Gallery in London. And of course, we can now tick that one off the list. Now, I did see it on the website. I just came across it, and it's not something that we'd already booked. But seeing it there, I knew it was something that I just had to experience. I just had to go to, and I had to see these pieces of art, these costumes, and how they were going to display this in person. I was very intrigued of how they were going to do that, because of course Leigh Bowery is known as a performance artist and someone that does shock you, someone that is quite unique and someone that was quite revolutionary in their time. So I wanted to see how they put all this together. Were they going to just display it as though it was pieces of art in a gallery, or were they going to bring in some of that performance art aspect into it? Because he is primarily a performance artist. So I'm very intrigued to see how they were going to do that. This exhibition was £18 each, booking in advance, £20 on the door. So we're going to go through the good, we're going to go through the bad, and we're also going to go through, was it worth it? If you want to see our full review of this exhibition, then please do check the link in the description. I will also pin it in the top of this box. My name's Axel.
I'm Sean.
And we'll see you in another video. Bye.